Hi there, students. To detach, detachable, detached. Okay, to detach is the verb, detachable is an adjective, detached is also an adjective. This is an easy word. It means to separate, to unfasten, to deconnect. I detached the business card from the notice board and put it in my pocket. I detached the top part of the form and kept it. He detached himself from the group, went off separated, and found a quiet place to disconnect. So to detach, to remove, to separate, to go away from. This coat has a detachable hood. This one isn't. That you can attach it and detach it whenever you want. The car has a detachable roof so that in the sunshine you can soak up the sun as you drive around. Now we can also use detach figuratively. When working as an ambulance driver, you must detach yourself from the horrible accidents may see. Separate yourself emotionally, not become involved emotionally. Detach your feelings. Loners are very detached people. He seemed very detached today and he wasn't listening to what I said. You must detach yourself from this problem and become more objective. A house could be detached. It's not attached to any other houses. Or it could be a semi-detached house where you just have one neighbour next door, so that here's the house, half is one family and the half is the other, and each has its own individual garden. That is a semi-detached house. Then the ones that are all attached in a line are terraced houses. So, to detach, to separate, to come away from, to unfasten. Notice in military English, to detach means to send a group of soldiers, to send a ship, to send a tank on a special mission to a place. Detach a detachment of soldiers to the top of that hill. So take a group of soldiers and go to the top of that hill. Effectively, you're detaching from the main group. To detach, to separate, to disengage, to unfasten, or even just to fall off. The door handle detached itself while I was looking at it. Okay, it just fell off. You could have a detached retina in medical English. A detachable cover. This briefcase has a detachable waterproof colour. Notice to detach is a regular verb. I detached the cover. I have detached various pieces from this item. Detach the tag from something. I detached the sales tag. The opposite to attach. Now what about formality? This verb is a 5 in formality. You can use it absolutely anywhere. And the origin, well, it comes from the old French désattacher, to detach, to separate off. Okay? So, to detach. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To detach, detachable, detached.